Beauty. Goodness sakes, we're just fishing this flat with the chatterbait. I caught this bugger. Oh man. Freaking aggressive on the chatterbait. God dang. It's a cool fish. The colors on him. Awesome. He's up good. Let's go. Yes, sir. First bass of the day is a nice one. Okay. Just been working across this flat with the black and blue chatterbait. Oh man, that'll do. Use some work.
I know. It's one of those where it got both jaws, upper and lower.
He wasn't coming off. Yep.
It's the biggest pike we've caught today. Didn't say much, but.
What did you catch him on?
Black and gold, lipless.
Oh, cool. That's a new bait.
Yep.
Nice bass. Oh yeah. Number 2 on the chatterbait. Similar size. Gosh, that's a good hook. Whew, beauty. Okay. Yeah, gives the fish a lot of room to work with.